distinguished guests, and my dear friends and respected Abdul Razak, who has hoisted the national flag with pride in our college. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Hasanah College, a noble educational institution, for providing me a golden chance to speak about independence. Today is 15 August, and we gather here to celebrate the 77th Independence Day of our great nation India. On this day, the Prime Minister of our nation hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. On this great moment, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, India became free from British rule and emerged as a great democratic republic nation. Independence Day is not just a day of national holiday, it is a day to remembrance and express our gratitude to the freedom fighters. Here I would like to mention the name of our beloved freedom fighters: Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Ashfaqullah Khan, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and many more. Today, India stands as one of the largest democracies in the world, with diversity in culture, creed, religion, language, and traditions. Our unity in this diversity that makes us strong as a nation. As an Indian, we must respect and embrace each other's cultures and stand together in time of need, just as our beloved freedom fighters did during the freedom struggle. We must embrace the values of honesty, integrity, and compassion. We must be diligent in our studies and work hard to acquire that will contribute to the progress of our nation. And now, I would like to conclude my speech with a prayer that, O Almighty Allah, protect us from fundamentalists and grant us the strength to keep our country free from terrorists. Ameen. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.